If you are looking for a simple way to earn some extra cash, joining a data entry site can be a great option. In most cases, you don't really have to do any complicated tasks, and you do not need any special technical skills. It can be a good way to earn some extra cash while you are just staying at home. However, there are a lot of data entry jobs around, and it can be very time consuming to find out which sites you should join to find the options that are really worthy of your time. So this video will guide you on the best paid data entry sites and also will help you figure out which sites are the right fit for you. So make sure to watch this video until the end for you to find out which sites are worth joining without having test all the available sites in this company. So all the sites I will be discussing in today's video are legit and free to join. So all you have to do is a bit of your time and effort. But if data entry isn't really a cup of your tea, I would suggest you check out some of my other videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new on this channel, my name is Manilyn, a full-time mom, a freelancer, and a virtual assistant. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell button so that you will be notified every time I uploaded a new videos all about making money online. If you have any questions, clarifications, or suggestions about this video, please feel free to leave a comment below. In today's video, I am going to discuss the 5 best data entry sites. Keep in mind that this is not a complete list of data entry sites available. Instead, this will be a list of what I think are worth your time. In other words, this site are the sites you can earn a decent amount from. So the first data entry job is called TimeBox. So this is available worldwide, a payout method through bank transfer, Bitcoin, Litecoin, RTM, and Payer, and a minimum payout threshold of $10. So what is TimeBox? TimeBox is a get paid to site that also offers data entry site. Sometimes you can earn on TimeBox by solving CAPTCHAs. The CAPTCHA solving tasks are not that easy and they do take some effort, especially at first when you get used to it. However, compared to what you can earn on many other CAPTCHA solving sites, what you get on TimeBox is actually good. It is available globally, so you can join regardless of where you live. It also offers several payment options, as I mentioned a while ago, and it has relatively low payout threshold of $10. So the good thing about TimeBox is that if you run out of CAPTCHAs to solve, you can always do the other earning opportunities they offer. Free jobs from home. So there are different types of data entry jobs you can do from home. There are transcription sites where you have to type everything you hear from a video or audio file. There are also CAPTCHA sites that will allow you to earn by simply solving CAPTCHAs, but usually it will involve typing, which is the main skill you will need if you want to do data entry jobs. Now, in my experience, data entry jobs aren't really the most rewarding jobs. The main reasons for this is the jobs, they aren't really that complicated, and the earnings will usually be proportional to the effort and the time to finish this job. So the simpler the job is, the less you will earn from it. For example, in CAPTCHA site, you will usually earn only like $1 to $3 per 1,000 CAPTCHAs you solve. So you will need to invest a lot of time to earn a lot from data entry sites for the reasons that job isn't really that complicated. However, if you're really good at it, for example, transcribing, you can potentially build up to become a full-time income. But it's important to go in with the proper expectations. So the second data entry site is called Humanatic. So this is available worldwide and they pay via PayPal and payout threshold of $10. So Humanatic is a site that provides companies detailed analysis of phone calls they receive. It doesn't sound much like a data entry job, but reviewing phone calls will just involve having to categorize the data of call reviewed according to this guideline. So it is really a lot like data entry jobs with a lot less typing involved. It only offers PayPal as its payment method. So if you don't have a PayPal account, I suggest you sign up for one before you become a member of this site. You can request for payment once you have earned $10. Overall, the simplicity of this earning opportunity is what really makes a good option. You just have to be very accurate when reviewing phone calls. So the third website where you can find a data entry job is called Fiverr. So this is available worldwide, payout method via bank transfer or PayPal. And also the payout threshold is 10 US dollar. Fiverr is not only a platform where you can find a lot of data entry jobs, but also it is a freelance platform with thousands of different jobs. It offers many different data entry jobs, so there will be a lot of options to choose from. You just need to be aware that to get a job, you need to sign up as a seller and create one and post several job posts. It takes a bit of time to set up properly and build a good reputation, but if you take time to do this, you can find a lot of work on Fiverr. And many employees who has a lot of work this time, they find it in Fiverr. So all you have to do is just be patient and make an effort. And the fourth data entry site is called Smart Crowd or Lionbridge and now called Telos International. So this is the company that I was working for a long time up to now. So they're available worldwide and a payout method via PayPal, and there is no payout threshold in this company. Smart Crowd is a microtask site powered by Lionbridge and a company that provides localization and AI training data services. So in some ways, it is a lot like Appen because it is also offers the tasks like data entry tasks. So if you want to know more about Appen, you can scroll some of my videos also as I already share about this company. So the data entry tasks you can find here will vary depending on how you will score in their placement evaluation test. So from time to time, there will be a translation jobs offered for the languages you know. So it really varies depending on your location and your skill level. So it is important to get a high score on their evaluation test. So the pay is once a month through PayPal or Payoneer. So you don't have to worry about reaching a threshold to get paid because you will receive a payment for whatever you earn during the month. And the last website for data entry job is called Clickworker. So this is available worldwide and a payout method via PayPal or TransferWise and a minimum payout of 10 US dollar. Essentially, Clickworker is a microtask site that offers data entry tasks, and most of the data entry tasks will ask you to categorize the data of the website. It has a relatively low payout threshold of 10 US dollar, and once you reach the threshold, you can choose to either get paid via PayPal or TransferWise. The great thing about Clickworker is there are no data entry tasks you can do, but you can still earn by answering surveys, so you still have different options to earn. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from it. If you have any clarifications or concerns about this video, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I will try my best to read all your comments and respond as soon as I can. So happy earning and God bless everyone. See you on my next video. Bye for now.